Good day, Miss Rochelle. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Rochelle Ciso. I'm 25 years old. I'm single. I'm high school graduate. I had work experience in Qatar for 2 years. My duties and responsibilities is taking care of their kids, cleaning the house, and washing and ironing the clothes.
How do you overcome your homesickness?
I always think my dream and future of my family, and I always make myself busy.
What if you committed mistake in your employer? What will you do?
I will tell my employer and I will say sorry.
If you are holiday or day off, what will you do before you go out from your employer's house?
Before I leave the house of my employer, I will finish my duties and responsibilities, and I will tell them that I will go.
What if the mother of your employer doesn't speak English? How did you communicate with them?
I am doing for her an action or sign language.
You have last message to your future employer. Can you tell them now?
Ma'am and sir, choose me, and I am trustworthy, hardworking, and kind. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir.
Thank you very much, Miss Rochelle. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.